Hi everybody, today's video is a 2017 vintage cruiser and I'm going to show you a little tour of this. I'm at a vintage camper rally and they are here with our group. We welcome everyone. It's Vintage Trailer Rallies of the Southeast. You do not have to have a vintage camper. So I just want to show you this here. It's got it decorated really cute, and check out the quilt. Look at this. Really cute. I'm gonna have to ask her if she made that. So here you have a bed. It's walk around bed and the windows there. Let me see what model this is. A 19 RBS. Okay, and then here is, I'd say it's probably a dinette. Is this a dinette that goes down to a bed? Yeah, that's a dinette. Okay. And are you a quilter? Did you make these?
No.
Okay, she did not make the quilts, but someone did. They're really cute. Some little decor there. So they got storage up there. Over here at the kitchen area. Plenty of room in here. Lots of storage. Alright, and then I'm going to show you the bathroom. Lots of stickers. Looks like stickers from different places they've been. And that is a big refrigerator for such a small trailer. Alright, so here's the bathroom. So you have your vanity and medicine cabinet there. Storage underneath. Over here is the toilet. More storage behind that. And then over here is a corner shower. So it's pretty big. Good sized bathroom. Alright, so there is the kitchen and living room area again. And then of course this goes down to a dinette. Nice camper here. Alright everybody, give it a thumbs up if you haven't already, and I will see you on the next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye.